We are all in midst of COVID. This is a global pandemic affecting over 200 countries and millions of people, and it's going on and on. Now, what has it got to do with heart and heart diseases? Firstly, those patients who already have a heart disease, if they get COVID, they will have worse outcomes. It has been proven beyond doubt that patients with heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension, if they contract COVID, their mortality is going to be much more than those without these problems. Secondly, coronavirus by itself can also affect the heart along with the lungs. And this is manifested by an increase in the troponins, which are the blood test which is done in these patients. Now, patients with coronavirus infection can have heart problems in various ways. Firstly, can present with chest pain and can have ECG findings which just look like heart attack but not heart attack. Secondly, there is an injury to the cardiac muscle which is manifested again by an high increase in the troponin levels in the blood, and this leads to myocarditis and sometimes even to heart failure. These patients present with increasing breathlessness, fall in saturations, and need to be hospitalized immediately. Thirdly, the myocardial injury can also cause rapid beating of the upper chambers, the atria, and the lower chamber ventricles, and these are called as arrhythmias. And these arrhythmias can be benign in the form of that they can just cause palpitations, and they also are known to cause an increased incidence of sudden cardiac arrest and death. In fact, it has been reported that once after the advent of the COVID infections, the out of hospital sudden cardiac arrests have increased, and there are a myriad of reasons for it, but it is a fact that they're increasing in number. And lastly but not the least, it's also important to know that COVID infection causes an increased tendency to form clots of blood in different parts of the body. An important area is the pulmonary arteries, and this is called as pulmonary thromboembolism. And this is also one of the causes of increased breathlessness and increased cardiac arrest and death. But please remember that only about 6 to 20% of the patients with COVID infection have heart problems. And it is important to reach the hospital early in the COVID infection so that these are monitored well and these cardiac problems are prevented, and even if they occur, they are treated well and hence the lives are saved.